Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start the expression for Kc, that is equilibrium constant, which is related with chemical equilibrium. So now we are going to start the equilibrium expression for decomposition of dinitrogen tetraoxide. Derive its Kc expression, that is equilibrium expression constant Kc, and also interpret unit of Kc. Now we are going to start expression for equilibrium constant, that is Kc, for the decomposition of dinitrogen N2O4 tetraoxide. When dinitrogen tetraoxide decompose to form nitrogen dioxide, multiply by 2, it will balance 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen, both reactant and product side. This reaction is reversible in nature. So we are going to derive expression for Kc. For forward reaction, dinitrogen tetraoxide is a reactant, and for backward reaction, nitrogen dioxide is a reactant. According to law of equilibrium or law of mass action, we know that rate of reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactants. If reactant is more than 1, then product of active masses of reactant. For forward reaction, rate of forward reaction denoted by Rf. Rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactant, that is dinitrogen tetraoxide. Power 1, it means that the coefficient of dinitrogen tetraoxide is 1. Now replace sign of proportionality with equal and constant. The equation become Rf, means rate of forward reaction, equal to K, constant, and constant for forward reaction will be Kf. It will become N2O4 power 1, equation number 1. Similarly for backward reaction, rate of backward reaction Rb will be equals to constant for backward reaction Kb into multiply by active mass of nitrogen dioxide NO2. And the coefficient is 2, it means that exponent will be 2, equation number 2. Now we have two equations, rate of forward reaction and rate of backward reaction. We know that at dynamic equilibrium, rate of forward reaction becomes equals to rate of backward reaction. It means that put the value of Rf and Rb from equation 1 and 2 in above equation. Rf will be equals to constant for forward reaction and active mass of dinitrogen tetraoxide, and rate of backward reaction will be equals to constant for backward reaction and active mass of nitrogen dioxide with coefficient 2. Now by cross multiplication, constant for forward reaction over constant for backward reaction will be equals to active mass of product, that is NO2, divided by active mass of reactant, that is dinitrogen tetraoxide power 1. Equation number 3. Here the ratio between constant for forward reaction to the constant for backward reaction is always equals to constant quantity, which is called Kc, equilibrium constant. This is called Kc, that is equilibrium constant. Now replace ratio of constant for forward reaction to the constant for backward reaction by Kc. Equation 3 implies Kc will be equals to active mass of NO2 power 2 over active mass of dinitrogen tetroxide power 1. Here we have Kc expression for decomposition of dinitrogen tetroxide. Now we are going to discuss unit of Kc, unit of equilibrium constant. How can we interpret? We know that unit of active mass is molar, capital M, will be equals to moles per dm cube or moles per liter. Now put the unit of active mass in equation number 4. Equation number 4 implies Kc will be equals to active mass of NO2 power 2. It means that it will become m square, and active mass of dinitrogen tetroxide with m and power is 1. Here m cancel out from m. Now the equation become m means moles per dm cube. Moles per dm cube is the unit of decomposition of dinitrogen tetroxide. It means that here we have derived the expression for the decomposition of dinitrogen tetroxide, which is Kc is the ratio between active mass of NO2 power 2 square to the active mass of reactant, that is dinitrogen tetroxide power 1. And we have interpreted the unit of Kc for above chemical reaction, and it will become moles per dm cube. Hope you have easily calculate or find the derivation or expression for Kc and interpret the unit of Kc. If you have any query regarding understanding any equilibrium constant expression for any reaction, so you can directly comment or message me. Till then अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.